In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to set up a dedicated active clients list using a ready-made client success template so you can organize work quickly and consistently. First, open your ClickUp workspace and head to the area where you manage your tasks in a list. This is the best place to build structured views for day-to-day work. Once you're there, look for the view controls along the top of your screen. This menu lets you change how your tasks are displayed and is where we'll set things up for clarity and speed. Next, select the List view. If you're already in List view, you're good to go. If not, clicking it will switch you over. List view is perfect for client tracking because it lays out tasks in a simple, scannable format with columns and statuses. Now create a new list by typing the name Active Clients. Use clear capitalization to make it easy to spot among your other lists. This name helps your team immediately recognize where client-related work belongs. After typing the name, click on Active Clients to open it. You want to be inside this new list before you add structure or content. From here, choose Browse Templates. Templates save time by applying proven fields, statuses, and layouts in one go. In the template browser, open the Client Success category. This section is designed for customer-facing workflows and typically includes helpful elements like onboarding steps, communication checkpoints, and outcome tracking. Select Use Template on the Client Success option. You'll be prompted to choose where this template should live. Click Select Location and point it to the space or folder where your client operations belong. Picking the right location keeps permissions, automations, and reporting aligned with your existing setup. When the location looks correct, click Use Template again to apply it. ClickUp will add the pre-configured statuses, fields, and any sample tasks that come with the template directly into your active clients list. Give it a moment to finish. Once it's applied, you're ready to tailor it. A quick tip: keep the template structure intact at first and only adjust what you need, such as renaming statuses to match your lifecycle or hiding fields your team won't use. Also, stick with the active client's name consistently across your workspace to make search and reporting effortless. That's it. You navigated to your list area, switched to List View, created the active clients list, browsed templates, chose Client Success, selected the correct location, and applied the template. You now have a clean, repeatable framework for managing client work in ClickUp.